Welcome back, family, to Hotor's Chronicles, where we go on this journey called Life Together. Well, today we're going to experience car safe. A safe that you can use not just in a car, but car is just one place, right? That it can help give you peace of mind, limiting people's access, both external as well as internal people, access from your belongings, some of your valuables. So what do I mean by limiting access? Well, sometimes you're at the parking lot and smash and grab things happen. They just break open the window and just steal whatever's in the glove compartment. And a lot of times they're trying to get valuables and tools like guns and things of that nature. So we want to make sure you provide some level of resistance to where that's not an easy thing for your car. Okay, so it's way better than just having it in the glove compartment or having it in the center console of your car or something along that line. So that's one of the reasons why having a safe. Another reason why having a safe is so very important is for internal people. Maybe you have a child or someone that you don't feel that should have access to the valuables that you have, and especially a gun. So we want to definitely make sure we protect it from both external forces as well as internal people. So what we're going to talk about today is a car safe. And what we have most of the time, it comes with a manual. And I'm so sorry I didn't bring the unboxing part this time around, but it comes with a manual, as well as the way to set it, or give you the information on how to set this combination lock, as well as some type of cable. Okay, now this cable helps us to lock it in and to where they can just pick this up and walk away with it. Okay, now it's made out of a real durable metal, and it's hard. It can't get to pry it open. And it also has this nice cushion in it, so where it won't be banging up against that type of metal, and if it moves around and things of that nature. So one of the things I want to talk about here is this little slot right here. This slot is very important, helps you with securing it to a location where it can't just easily pick up this whole thing and walk away with it. And I'll talk about that in a few moments. Also, it comes with how do you set the combination lock, and it shows you how to do that in the manual. But what I'm gonna do is just say here, one part of it is you move this little knob over to the B, and once it lets you over to the B, and it won't because I didn't set this is not the right combination here, which I didn't want to blur it out for you, so you won't be able to see it real quick, but on the video. But here, so now it's locked, right? Then you just turn it the other way to unlock it. And once it's here, it allows you to go ahead and move it over to the B. Okay, so it comes with just probably sitting on 000, and then you can go ahead and make the change. And once you make the change here, it'll let you put it on A, and then now that it would be the combination that it will lock for you. Okay, so but again, follow the instructions that's inside of it. Again, really useful, really durable, and also prevents from easy prying, as you can see here. And that's what this is here. Okay, this little ridge here, and I want to pull it up so you can see this ridge there. Right, so really is very durable, very helpful. So you just go ahead and place your belongings inside. But before we do that, I want to show you what I mean by, you take this here, you loop it around the something that'll hold it, keep it from moving around, from just easily picking up and walking away. So like something that's bolted down to the car. And so you go ahead, you loop it around that. So this is around that bolted down piece. You place this right here, as you can see, right here and there, so it won't be able to easily pull apart. Shift the lock, so now nobody can just open it, and see, can't get it out. Okay, that's because that metal piece is there, so you can see that. So just wanted to share with you how this works. Now, where can you get this? Well, the great thing about it is you can get this from any store, right? You can get it from Walmart, Amazon sells them, and I got mine from a gun store. And again, you don't have to get it from there. You can get it in a range from $25, $50 to upwards to $50. Now, this is not a biometric one where you put your fingerprint, or you have to the digital code. It's not like that. And the reason why I didn't do that, because I didn't want to have to worry about batteries, right? You can do what you like, and you don't have to worry about batteries going out. That's the reason why I got this one. And also I got this particular one because you cannot see in between the numbers here to see the code here, and I'll reset the code so that way we don't have to worry about that. But right here in the middle here, okay, you don't have to, you can't see, so you can say, oh, There it is. That's the lock. That's the right number for that one. So just want to make sure that that's clear. So I just want to recap here that, hey, you get this for peace of mind, and to where you cannot have to, you can still conceal carry or produce your valuables inside of the safe, and then walk into a place that does not allow you to bring these, and you don't have to worry about somebody breaking or entering and taking your belongings. So if you like what you've heard so far, you've seen so far, feel free to like, subscribe, and share. But also drop a comment. Let me know what you think about this particular safe and other safes and where you get yours. Okay? Thank you so much. Do come back.